Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel at Virtual House Tour. Again, I'm Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty. So for today's vlog, I'm here with Sir Janelle Bronya. So we will be featuring one of the projects here in Pampanga, which is the Las Palmeras Residences. So it is located where, sir?
Located po itong Las Palmeras Residences. Dito lang yan sa Benjamin Northville 9, Barangay Pandacaqui, Mexico, Pampanga.
Yes. And how many hectares pala to, sir?
Ang total project area po natin is 57 hectares. But currently, Sir Alan, ang naka-open pa lang natin is phase 1.
Okay.
Because yung 57 hectares natin is divided into 4 phases.
Okay.
Okay, so ang phase 1 natin, kung saan tayo nakatayo ngayon, it's about 20 hectares at mga around 1,500 units ang itatayo.